Today's recipe is ham with honey and brown sugar glaze. The ingredients are 1 5-pound fully cooked sliced ham, 1/4 cup whole cloves, 1 cup of pineapple juice, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1/2 cup honey, 2 oranges that you'll juice, with a knife, make a diamond-shaped pattern, little cross hatches, so that you can insert the cloves. Go all over the top of the ham within the fat section. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And to make the glaze, put the pineapple juice, orange juice, brown sugar, and the honey in a saucepan and heat it up until it's simmering. Keep it over medium-low heat until it's thickened, which is about 10 minutes. If you find that it hasn't thickened up enough, you can add a little bit of cornstarch in a separate bowl with a little bit of the liquid. Mix and dissolve it thoroughly, and then add it back into your simmering mix. Brush the glaze over the entire ham and bake it uncovered for 1 hour in your preheated oven.